Students and my dear friends and my dear subscribers, this is K. Santosh Kumar, PhD Zoology, Srikakulam. So we are discussing about MSET Zoology classes, especially different type of the invertebrate phylums. Okay, last day we have learned the Platyhelminthes phylum. Today our topic is phylum Nematoda. The phylum Nematoda also called as a Aschelminthes. You see the general characters of the phylum Nematoda or Nematohelminthes or Aschelminthes. So the nematodes are the circular in cross section. Whenever you cut the cross section of these organisms in circular section, these are the circular. Hence they are called as a roundworm. These are the long and cylindrical. Worms. When you cut the cross section, they appear in circular. That's why it's called as named as a roundworms. Vitni Gundrat Purugulu ani antarandi. Okay, they may be free living. Most of the organisms are maybe free living, and some of the parasitic in nature. Konni స్వేచ్ఛగా జీవిస్తున్నాయి, కొన్ని పరాన్న జీవులుగా జీవిస్తున్నాయి. Especially on the plants, in animals. Okay, they have terrestrial or aquatic. జలచరంగా ఉంటున్నాయి, కొన్నిసార్లు భౌమ్యపరంగా ఉంటున్నాయండి, భూచరంగా కూడా ఉంటున్నాయి. Then coming to they have a organ system level of organization. We have to see in the nematoda organisms. And bilaterally, these organisms are the bilaterally symmetrical. Okay, ద్విపార్శ్వ సౌష్ఠవాన్ని ప్రదర్శిస్తూ ఉంటాయండి, bilaterally symmetrical. Okay, when cut any one plant, okay, pass through the central axis of an organism that divides into two equal parts or identical parts. That's called bilaterally symmetrical. Triploblastic. We know that they have three germinal layers: ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Next, pseudocoelomate animals. They have not a true coelom. It is a false coelom between the body wall and visceral organ. That kind of the coelom called pseudocoelom. It is not a true coelom. Okay, నిజమైనటువంటి శరీర కుహరం ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, మిథ్యా శరీర కుహరాన్ని కలిగి ఉన్నటువంటి జీవులు, అలాగే త్రిస్తరిత జీవులు, అదేవిధంగా ద్విపార్శ్వ సౌష్ఠవాన్ని ప్రదర్శించేటువంటి జీవులు. So body is unsegmented. It is a long and cylindrical without any segmentation on the body wall. శరీర కుడ్యం పైన ఎటువంటి కండీభవనం అనేది ఉండదు. It is unsegmented and covered by the transparent, tough and the protective collagenous cuticle. What kind of the cuticle it is? Collagenous cuticle. Collagen తో ఏర్పడినటువంటి అవపాసన అనేది ఉంటుంది. It is a unique character in the phylum Nematoda. So in some, epidermis is syncytial. The epidermis is syncytial because arrange the nucleus in a rows, systematic row on the body. Okay, that is called syncytial process. Okay, and we have to see that elementary canal is complete. It's very well developed. Okay, జీర్ణనాళం అనేది బాగా అభివృద్ధి చెంది ఉంటుందండి. ఓకే, with the mouth and well muscular pharynx and anus. అదే విధంగా then coming to the excretory system, విసర్జక వ్యవస్థ ఎలా ఉంటుందన్నమాట. The excretory system contains a specialized gland for excretion that is called rennet gland. Okay, or excretory gland. దీనే excretory gland అని కూడా అంటారండి. And these are participated in the excretion. Okay, next nerve system. Okay, నాడీ వ్యవస్థ. Okay, once we see that nerve system of this nematode, circular enteric nerve ring which contain the circular enteric nerve ring with a ganglia and nerves. They participate in the nervous system and sense organs. Coming to sense organs, amphids and plasmids. Based on these sense organs, they differentiate to two subphylums. That's called pars media, pars media, based on the sense organs. So sense organs are the amphids and the plasmids, and these are the dioecious because sexes are separate. The sexes are separated. They show the sexual dimorphism. Male and female organisms are separate. Male organism and female organisms are separate. Female worm is larger than the male worm. The female worm is larger than the male worm, and the posterior part of the male worm have a curved, posterior curve which contains the copulatory spicule, or a pineal spicule. The female worm is larger than the male worm, and the male have contained the posterior curved with a copulatory spicule or a pineal spicule. Samparka kantakam anedi dani parantam vaipuna ante దాని యొక్క మెలితిరిగిన పరాంతం వైపున copulatory spicule అనేది ఉంటుంది. That is the difference between the female worm and male worm. They participated in this male organism is participated in the fertilization, copulation, with the female worm, and the fertilization takes place inside the body. That's called internal fertilization takes place inside the organism, and majority of the ovivorous. Ovivorous means the worms to produce the lay eggs. That's called ovivorous. Best example Ascaris lumbricoides, and some are ovovivivorous. They produce eggs after eggs hatching to produce the young ones. That is called the vivivorous. That's why some organisms, some nematodes to show the ovoviviparous. Examples Wuchereria branchiofti. Development is a direct development. The young one is a results. Resembles. The young ones are resembles to the adult. Young one anedi dani yokka adultly poli untundandi. We have to see that the development is a direct development. The young ones are resembles to the adult. That's called juveniles. These young ones are called juveniles. Growth in sometimes they the development they show that indirect development also. Apratyakshya abhidhini kuda chupistu untundandi. Growth into adult from involves typically four molting larvae. So in the development of these organism, the development of these juveniles, these juveniles, they involves the four molting larvae. What kind of the larva it is? Microfilaria larva, especially. For example, Ascaris, Wuchereria branchiofti, Ankylostroma duodenale. We see that what kind of the larva they show that Wuchereria branchiofti, microfilaria larva. The development, the life cycle of Ascaris to show the what kind of larva. Ascaris జీవ చరిత్రలో ఏ రకమైన లార్వా చూడొచ్చు అంటే rhabditiform larva. Wuchereria branchiofti యొక్క జీవ చరిత్రలో ఏ రకమైన లార్వా చూడొచ్చు అని అంట microfilaria larva. So these are all about the general characteristics of nematoda or Nematihelminthes. These are also called as Aschelminthes. You want to more videos from me? You like my video? Comment, share your friends, and subscribe my Santosh Shivaji channel. Thank you.